Okay, so here we are at Arthur's Cafe, and this morning I went to have a nice relaxing coffee and then gaze across the lake. And what are you two gentlemen going to be doing?
We might join you with that.
Yeah.
We're going for a wander around West Yorkshire.
Right, yeah. And where are you from, gentlemen?
Muslin Old Garage.
Oh, great. And are you looking forward to today?
Yeah, absolutely.
So, yeah.
Sun's going to shine, it's going to be a good day. We just got lost coming here, the driver who dropped us off. We drove past it, so we'll have a word with Clive on way back. Yeah.
And what about the cause? Are you delighted to be involved in the cause?
Oh yeah,
Absolutely,
definitely.
yeah.
I think we started off with 700 goal. I think we're about 1300 now. Yeah, we're doing all right. Yeah, it's going all right.
Well, good luck today.
Thank you.
You obviously look like pro athletes anyway. So
To start with,
I'm
yeah.
sure you're going to have
Before and
something
after,
smashing.
all the gear. No idea.
Well, let's hope these guys have a fantastic day.
All
Good
right.
luck, guys.
Thank you. Cheers.
You set off at Toyota Huddersfield on Leeds Road, and then you come down here ready to set off. So all I can say is best of luck today.
Cheers.
Thank you. Concentrate.
We'll try.
And when
keep
you
running.
say we've come here, where is here?
We're in Murfield.
Oh, right, okay, yes.
That's
yeah.
not a great start. You know what I mean? They're in Murfield. Murfield. Did you find it on the map?
Yeah, no, I have already.
And good luck for the rest
We
of
were
the
supposed to be blindfolded, weren't we?
Yeah, blindfolded. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you know, they spun us round a few times before the car as well.
Yeah, well, have a fantastic day.
Thank you.
Most importantly, enjoy yourself and just think of the great work you're doing for this charity.
Cheers.
So I've got some colleagues of mine here from RRG Group. We've got Katie and Richard.
Hi, Johnny.
Hello. Unfortunately, they were late.
Well,
I
no,
don't-
we were like a few minutes late.
A few minutes. Oh yeah, only a few minutes.
minutes late.
Why were you late, Katie?
A combination of two things.
Yeah.
One, I needed to grab a croissant.
A croissant. Oh, of course you
And
did. the
two,
croissant.
I realised I forgot my mascara.
On mascara, of course. The same reasons for you, was it, Richard?
No.
What
But,
was your...
but
So here I have now got the main man, Clive from RRG Toyota.
Hi guys.
In Huddersfield. This guy's made it all happen. What a guy. How are you
Michelle.
feeling today on the day, Clive?
I'm really pleased. Everything's going really smoothly so far. All the teams have turned up, which is a massive bonus and a good start.
Yeah.
We've got the weather,
Yeah,
and we've already got stories to tell, but we can't tell them yet.
yeah, absolutely.
So come Monday night, we're going to have
Because
some
we
real
can't
stories.
reveal to these two ladies. And who are you guys? Who are you guys?
we're from HSBC, so Nicola and Steph.
Oh, the banker here. Fantastic. Can we just check? You've only got, how much budget were they allowed?
£30.
30. Have you only got 30?
We've only got 15 because
Have you checked it?
Nicola has left her money in her bag.
Oh, really? Are you sure now? So, thank you very much for participating. Best of luck today. I can see you're in the absolute perfect fitness, ready to go. You know, couple of athletes here from HSBC, official athletes nationally. Good luck today. I hope it all goes great. Thanks again to Clive, the main man.
Cheers
Brilliant.
guys.
Yeah, it's that way, lads. It's that way. It's not. Can't put that on the side, can you? So here we are now, we're just around about the halfway point, and a special shout out to Ossett Brewery and Salt Beer Factory here in Salter. They're kindly providing some food and drinks for all of our contestants to freshen up before the final leg. Great, so I've got Brody here from Ossett Brewery. Like I said before, he's kindly looking after all of our contestants today, giving them some pizza, giving them a bit of refreshment. I'd just like to say a massive thank you to you.
No problem.
So obviously you've got a team involved today.
We do indeed. We've not seen them as of yet, but we have faith.
They're on the way.
They're on their way.
Matt, start. How many pubs have you got?
We've got 32.
So they've probably been in 32 pubs before they got here, but that's fantastic. And I think, Michelle, do you want to just join us for 1 minute, Michelle?
Hello.
How are you? Yeah, we've got Michelle here from Forget Me Not. She's been obviously arranging with Brody. to arrange to keep
we got this all
everybody
organised, didn't we? Which is
refreshed.
great.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So hopefully they'll be re-energised. How many more stops have they got now?
Come
How many more
on.
have they
So
got?
this is checkpoint 4.
Yeah.
We have 2 more checkpoints to get to.
Yeah.
We have some lagging teams. We have some teams really pushing out in front. And yeah, they're using all sorts of modes of transport to get here, there, and everywhere. So it's been quite something, I have to say.
Yeah.
So,
and,
yeah,
and Brody, you were a
fabulous.
bit surprised how quickly people got
Oh,
in.
well,
weren't they?
yeah, but before you guys first of all got here, there
Yeah.
was someone already, I mean, 5-10 minutes later, so
They're
some
hitching a
competition.
ride.
Some of the teams have done fantastically well so far, haven't they?
Show lots of initiative, hitching rides, that kind of thing. Which I have to say, in today's world, I wasn't sure would be a thing. But actually, what we're finding is
Is there
actually
some
people are
good-natured
really,
people out there, yeah?
some
Yeah.
very kind people, which is amazing.
Great.
So,
Well, thanks again to Brody. Obviously, thanks to Michelle Starr, the show for sorting all this out. Amazing. But thanks to Brody because we were all definitely going to come
Yes.
back here and relax on another
Amazing.
occasion.
Definitely.
But brilliant. Thank
Cheers.
you.
Thank you.